Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today we are going to be making, I call it a summer sheet pan meal, but it's really not necessarily for summer. But it's a meal that you make in your sheet pan, obviously. It's so easy. It's potatoes, corn, and kielbasa, which you can also substitute sausage for, but I really just prefer kielbasa. It is delicious, it's easy, and the best part is it cooks on your sheet pan, so minimal cleanup, which is a bonus for me. If you want to see how it comes together, make sure you keep on watching. Right, so on my sheet pan, I already have some corn that I cut up. I have about 2 ears of corn here. You're going to need some baby potatoes that I just cut in half. And then you can either use kielbasa or sausage. I prefer kielbasa. And you're going to cut them in about, I would say, half an inch to an inch. Please don't get a ruler. It's really not that important. You're going to need some olive oil, black pepper, salt, some dried parsley, and then garlic powder. You're also going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. So since everything is already laid out on my sheet pan, I'm going to go ahead and just start with some olive oil. This is going to be the coating for everything that you need. And please feel free to make this your own. If you don't want to do any meat, leave it out. If you want to add bell peppers, whatever you want, just go ahead and kind of play with it. This is kind of just like a canvas for you guys. You're going to need a generous pinch of salt, especially over the potatoes, because we all know how much potatoes love salt. Right, that's good. I don't want to over salt. Some pepper, as much or as little as you want. I'm going to leave that up to you. You're going to need some dried parsley. And then finally we're going to finish it off with our garlic powder, just a little bit over everything. And then you're going to use your clean hands and you're going to mix everything together. You're going to put this into your preheated oven, which should already be preheated at 400 degrees for about, I would say, 45 minutes to an hour, or until everything is fully cooked through. So just keep an eye on it. You are going to want to flip the veggies in between. So about 25 minutes in, I would go ahead and flip them, then continue to cook them until they are fully cooked through. And then you can go ahead and enjoy. I hope you find this as helpful as I do. Please give me a big thumbs up and I will see you guys next time. Bye!